I've been exploring the Tenant mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Tenant app is a rental search app aimed at people looking for properties to rent across Australia, especially those who want to manage inspections and applications from their phone. It brings listings from major agencies into one place and is designed for busy renters who like having everything organized in a single app. Core features focus on practicality. You can search for houses and apartments nationwide, bookmark favorites, book inspections in available time slots, and sync them to your calendar so it is easier to plan your day. The app also lets you track inquiries and application status and cancel inspections or applications once you secure a place, which can save time during a stressful rental hunt. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers mention slow loading, freezing, and occasions where inspection bookings or details have not matched expectations, which can be especially frustrating when you are traveling to viewings. Others note that while the app makes it easy to book and cancel, this convenience can lead to last-minute inspection cancellations from agencies, leaving tenants inconvenienced. On the positive side, the overall rating is high, with most users giving 4 or 5 stars, suggesting that many find it reliable and helpful despite these issues. Overall, Tenant app is a solid choice if you value having your rental search, inspections, and applications organized in one place and you are comfortable with the occasional technical hiccup or last-minute change. It is likely to suit renters who regularly inspect multiple properties and appreciate real-time updates. But if you need absolute reliability around inspection times, you may want to double-check details directly with agents as a backup. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.